Hello, guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku is a two-star Sudoku in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, October the 23rd, 2021. It's actually today Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I have decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in additional of the yesterday's edition. Yes, and this two-star Sudoku, we have two puzzles left. This two-star Sudoku and a tectonic. This will be number 3582. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And for a two-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, and look, we have an 8 and a 3 in this box. Big square. So no 8 and a 3 in this box. The 8 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and a 3. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. One box left in the last column for the number 2. Alright. Okay. Let me see. How about the 9 in this row? The 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Let me see. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 4, 2, 2, 2, 6, 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see a 3, no 3 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. We see a 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. So, let me see. 1, 1. 6, 6. Well. How about the number 1. I'm thinking. 2, 2. 3, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Interesting. 9, 9. No 1. Come on, it's taking too long. 2, 2. Yeah. 2, 4, 2, and 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 could be here, could be there. I'm scanning. Yeah. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 7, 8 and a 7. So what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8, and a 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9. Look, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. Here, 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7. The 8 is missing. Alright. The 8. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the second column? So the third column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Okay. And we have a pair. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 3 and a 1. So what are the other 2 numbers? In the middle row, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. Can I fill this yet? No. 4 and the 6. Need to wait. Here also 4 and the 6 and the 9. Yeah, 9 in this column. 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. Let me mark those boxes. Alright. 6, 6. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. 6, 2, and 4. 6, 2, and 4. Interesting. 3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Okay. So we have a 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay, 1, 1. How about 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated this 2, so the 2 goes there. Okay. 8, 6, and 4. Then. How about? Let me see. 5, 5. 5, 5. Think. 6, 6, 6. Needed 2 also. Yeah. 4, 4. 4, 6, and 8. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, the 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 and 8 in this row. So no 8 and a 6 in this box. The 8 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and the 6. Well, here cannot be an 8. We have an 8 in this big square. So this box should be a 6. And that box should be an 8. 1 box left in this column for number 4. Alright. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. The second column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see that 1, no 1 there. Here, 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 6. How about 259? 259. How about? Yeah. 8, 7, and 3. 8, We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Okay. How about these 2 boxes in the second row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, and look, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there. So this box is going to be 6 and more. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box is going to be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. 2 missing numbers, the final numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes again. For 60 minutes. Yeah, I'm very well pleased with time. My time limit 15 to 20 minutes, so it's definitely a 2 stars. And I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the last puzzle of today on Sunday, a tectonic with a 1 star. See you then. Bye-bye for now.